Hi, welcome to a tutorial of how to apply for scholarships through the Allegheny College of Maryland online scholarship portal, AcademicWorks. If you're an ACM student looking to apply for scholarships, you're in the right place. Each year, the ACM Foundation awards over $1 million in scholarships to students from every background. By the end of this video, you will have learned how to successfully access and apply for scholarships. Let's go. First, let's go to the ACM Scholarship page on the Allegheny College of Maryland website. In your browser's search box, start by typing www.allegheny.edu/scholarships. In the bottom right-hand corner of the screen, click on the button that says Apply Today. Great job! Now you're ready to fill out the online scholarship application. On your screen, you'll see the General Scholarship Application Sign-In. Click on this and sign in with your login credentials. On your screen, you will see your General Scholarship Application. This is where we get to learn a little bit about you and why you are so deserving of an ACM scholarship. Fill in all of the required boxes on the application page, including the 2 short essays required at the end of the application. Once you have completed this, click the Finish and Submit button in the bottom right-hand corner. Congratulations! You have now successfully applied for all ACM scholarships that you are eligible for, based on the criteria that you entered into your application. Make sure that you check out the Opportunities button in the top left-hand corner of the application page, where you may find additional scholarship applications that you could be eligible for. Thanks for watching. We can't wait to help you along your academic journey here at Allegheny College of Maryland. If you were to have any questions or concerns about the application process, please call the Foundation at 301-784-5200.